992-911 filter upgrade. I was kind of overdue. This one's got about 30,000 miles on it, I think. So you can see it's dirty and all worn out. This is the new one from APR. They had them on sale for 157 bucks a pair compared to the standard OEM stuff, which was 187 or something like that. But in essence, you have to take the wheel off. T25 Torx is all you need to unbuckle this. You can, if you want, take out that screw there too. Don't have to. But in essence, it's probably like a 15-minute job. I think my local dealership wanted 600 bucks to replace this. So $157 later from FCP Euro, I ended up getting 2 new filters. So that's it basically. If you have questions, link in the comments, but this is a fairly straightforward procedure, super simple. Kind of sucks that you have to take the wheel off, but oh well, there's worse applications.